So, hey guys, yeah, it's me, go on, yeah, oh yeah, do the clapping, but, I was testing out lap 5, as you can see, and, there's this mode in the settings, where you can hit, it's called Chaos mode, like a Chaos Lord. It's based off of his video template, and I was testing out like what it would look like with a P rank, and I was like, I don't want to do all the work right now, so I'll just do test P rank, and I just need to show you what happens when you do it. Just hold on. Because that's what I do when I experiment with this stuff.
A few minutes later.
Scared the hell out of me, dude. Oh, dude, please, no. I just need you guys to watch this. Okay, just watch this, bro. Exactly, bro. I remember your test P rank. And then it does that, bro. It closes out your window, bro. No, because, dude, tell me why that scared the absolute hell out of me. It's on some anti-piracy type stuff, bro. Cause nah, that legitimately scared me when I first got it. Cause I got the chaos mode and I was like, okay, bro, let me try this. And I was like, actually, since the fish thing happens in his videos when he gets a P rank, let me see if it happens when I get a P rank. And it did that, and I was like, okay, let me go to lap 5 and see if it has the effects that it normally does in this video. And it does. And I complete it, and that happens, and it just... Bro, the silence is... Oh, bro, scared the hell out of me. I know it's not even meant to be scary, bro. But it was ominous, dog. I just wanted to make that real quick. Alright, bro, I'll see you guys later.